With its lively road manners and aggressive styling, Corolla Hatchback has made a name for itself as the compact enthusiast choice in the Toyota lineup, also making a lasting impression on drivers and onlookers alike. And now, for 2022, it continues to enjoy a stellar reputation thanks to some welcome enhancements over the years, including the addition of a sleek, black-themed Special Edition and the option to add extra storage capacity for those who need it. But of course, fun is still the name of the game here. So let's learn more about what makes this hatchback such a thrill to drive. Corolla Hatchback's latest lineup brings together two classic grades and a special edition. Familiar grades include the sporty SE and XSE, which are both either offered with a direct shift CVT or 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, while SE Nightshade Edition ups the style factor with its blacked-out exterior accents and standard 18-inch black alloy wheels. With Corolla Hatchback, fun-to-drive character and sporty attitude go hand in hand. And that's especially clear in its eye-grabbing looks. This year, Corolla Hatchback adds Finish Line Red to its color palette, with an available black metallic roof, providing a two-tone paint scheme for even more personality. Additionally, all Corolla Hatchback models feature distinctive Triple J LED headlights, which make this car easy to recognize at a glance. And XSE kicks it up another notch with standard LED fog lights and an available adaptive front lighting system that adjusts to the current driving conditions. This top-tier grade also offers a chrome-finished grille surround up front, as well as large 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels for that assertive look. Meanwhile, SE Nightshade Edition is designed for style, with its front-lower grille surround and black exterior accents, including a black Toyota emblem and badges. Corolla Hatchback's unmistakable styling is on display inside as well, with an abundance of high-gloss and matte surfaces that give this interior a lively yet refined design. And there are plenty of other premium touches too, like a leather-trimmed steering wheel and shifter, as well as various soft-touch materials throughout. As on the outside, XSE's interior is a step above SE's, sporting high-end features like combination leather trim and fabric upholstery, power driver and heated front seats, and a cutting-edge instrument panel with a 7-inch multi-information display. This roomy interior also offers ample room for both passengers and cargo, especially when its 60/40 split rear seats are folded flat. And if that's not enough, Corolla Hatchback also offers an available enhanced cargo space option, a reconfigured cargo area that adds 6 cubic feet to the overall capacity with no added cost and no impact on fuel economy. Corolla Hatchback comes equipped with a truly impressive array of advanced technology. This is evident in its 8-inch touchscreen audio multimedia system offering standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa compatibility keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM all-access trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. And of course, while zipping down the street in Corolla Hatchback, it's important to have an audio system that delivers the goods. That's why SE can be upgraded to the Audio Plus system found on XSE, and why XSE can be maxed out with the top-shelf 800-watt, 8-speaker JBL Premium audio system for extra punch. And Corolla Hatchback's multimedia systems also feature trials to Toyota's available connected services, including Safety Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Remote Connect, and Service Connect. Besides entertainment and connectivity, Corolla Hatchback's futuristic approach can be seen in standard convenience features like Smart Key System with push-button start and electric parking brake with brake hold, as well as available features like dual-zone automatic climate control and Qi-compatible wireless smartphone charging. In addition, the available blind spot monitor system comes complete with rear cross-traffic alert to help alert drivers of vehicles passing on either side while backing out of a parking space. True to the Toyota name, Corolla Hatchback puts safety at the forefront. This latest generation comes standard with 10 airbags throughout the cabin, including 2 rear seat-mounted side airbags for even more peace of mind. And Corolla Hatchback also includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, an advanced suite of active safety technologies that comes standard on all grades. TSS 2.0 includes an enhanced pre-collision system with pedestrian detection in low-light situations and daytime bicyclist detecting capabilities, as well as lane departure alert, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, which keeps the vehicle centered in its lane while dynamic radar cruise control is operating, and road sign assist, which can recognize and display select road signs on the instrument panel. One look at Corolla Hatchback and it's clear this sporty hatch is all about pure fun, whether in daily commuting or Sunday drives on winding mountain roads. Its underlying TNGA architecture is supported by independent suspension at all 4 corners, specifically McPherson strut up front and a multi-link design in the rear. TNGA also comes into play with Corolla Hatchback's 2-liter dynamic force engine, which produces a punchy 168 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, all while having seriously competitive fuel economy estimates. Better yet, this engine can be paired with either a continuously variable automatic transmission or 6-speed manual transmission. The continuously variable transmission, called Direct Shift CVT, includes a sport drive mode, paddle shifters with 10 preset ratios, and an innovative launch gear design with a physical first gear to help achieve better feel and acceleration. But for drivers who prefer to take matters into their own hands, the intelligent manual transmission is a real treat. When its IMT mode is engaged, the car will fight against stalling on initial drive-off, as well as smooth out upshifts. This mode also features automatic rev matching technology that helps drivers nail those perfect downshifts. Corolla Hatchback also comes standard with active cornering assist to help manage traction and control the drive force during spirited cornering. So it's safe to say Corolla Hatchback checks all the boxes when it comes to spirited driving.